Are you hungry? Because if so, you're in the right place. Today, we're at the MOCHI Ramen Bar in Vienna, and we're gonna have some amazing ramen.
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. It's again Görgött On Tour. We're in Vienna. It's my friends again from MOCHI, but it's one of the MOCHI restaurants we haven't been to. It's the MOCHI Ramen Bar. And it's one of my favorite, not only for the ramen, but for the Japanese tapas they serve here. So let's go inside, have a sit down, and see what they have on the menu. This is the inside. It's a bit loud here, so I think we'll sit outside so you can hear me better. So take a seat over here. So we got the menus. What's interesting, the tapas, and obviously the ramen. And I think we're gonna go for some gyoza. They're homemade. Maybe some aged. We have to take the ikapiri. The ikapiri is amazing. It's squid with a sweet kind of gochujang sauce. And I think we're gonna have the wonton ramen. Show you. No extras because they're quite well filled here. I'll just show you as well. This is the specials. We have a tonkotsu tsukemen, but we're not going for that. We're going for the tried and tested wonton ramen. I'm gonna order, and I'll see you in a bit when it's here. Just gave my order, but while we're waiting for the food, I just wanted to show you one of my favorite things about the MOCHI Ramen Bar design, and that's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's this kind of burnt wood effect that you have on the outside. And obviously the inside, I don't know if you could tell when we walked through it, a lot of this wood, the wooden bar with the opening so you can see when they prepare the ramen. And I'm actually going to go in now and show you how they prepare the ramen, because since I know them, I have special access. I'm not going to go into the kitchen because that will just destroy them. Or not destroy them, but disturb them. So I'll be standing filming it from the outside. So this is where they prepare it. I saw the ramen noodles just got put in there. They're going to place them nicely. See, he lays them out. And it's a well-oiled machine. In the background there, I don't know if you can see, that's where they oil the noodles. Put the soup on. There's some miso in that one. And then they mix it all. And then last but not least, you get the toppings. They will add all the toppings. This is a spicy chicken tantan. And they're very generous here with the toppings, so you hardly ever have to order extra. The background there is mixing the broth with the miso. They normally have 4 different soups, all with different bases. And there's one vegetarian option as well. The sweet corn comes on. We're not having this one, so it's nice to see it. We're having the wonton version. And it's on another base as well. You can see down here, he has all the toppings, all the oils. And sugar snaps.
Das Buchhältchen hat jetzt das abgeschaltet. Das hat jetzt das aktuelle. Das ist abgelehnt. Das ist natürlich das Sack. 8.
I left you with it without me commenting because it's nice. It's like seeing a dance. So 2 of the 3 starters have arrived. You can order more than one because they're relatively small. We have our deep fat fried tofu, agadashi tofu, and we have our ikapiri. It's basically deep fat fried squid, breaded in potato starch normally, and a spicy sweet sauce, some sesame seeds, and some greens. And not to forget, hydrate. I will start with the agadashi tofu. Get a bit of the spring onions, the daikon that's grated, Get everything mixed together. This is something I will make on Görgött soon. It's a really umami-packed sauce. I'm thickening it a bit with potato starch. I'm not a big tofu fan in general, but if I eat tofu, I only eat it like this. And this is made with a bit of a firmer kind of tofu, so it's not silken tofu. But I think we'll make it with silken tofu if we can manage, if it doesn't break. Let's see. This is amazing. We'll grab some sticks. Move on to the kapiri. Okay. And this is just perversion. And this I already made on the channel, so I'll put the link to it up there. This is a hit also with my daughter. And in the meantime, our third starter has arrived. And this is one of these secrets, because it's not on the menu. But they used to have it on the menu. I'll show it to you. That's a nori leaf with nice pork belly chashu, some pickled daikon, and some black garlic, mayonnaise, and sesame seeds. And that is so good. Put my sticks away because this we eat with my hands. Just fold it up. Oh, we dig in. This is heaven. If after having watched this with the MOCHI Ramen Bar, you have to ask for this. Because they will always make it for you. I have all the ingredients for it. They're used in different various ramen. I will finish this now. I won't bore you with it. And I'll see you again when the ramen is here. The main highlight why we came. And here it is. Our wonton ramen. If you can see the wonton there. So let's dig into this. It's gonna be a bit loud. I'm not a professional slurper yet, but I'm getting there. My understanding is you have to slurp for two reasons. One is it's so hot that you cool it down with it. And the other one is you kind of, it's like airing an old red wine, right? It brings out the flavor. Perfect. Let's try one of the wontons. With shrimp. Made fresh every morning in-house. Amazingly good. Try one of the eggs. If I remember correctly, they're marinated during 2 days, and like that they almost lose all of the eggy flavor. That's basically just an egg consistency, packed with umami. Now the toppings, some thinly sliced red onions, some bamboo shoots, pork belly chashu, but that you've seen already, because we had it on our secret starter, right? So they flame it with like a gas burner. That's another layer of flavors. I'm gonna eat this now, and I'll see you in a while, and we'll finish this episode off. I'm full. So if you're not too hungry, I think one of the tapas and a ramen is enough. If you're hungry, go for 3 tapas and a ramen. I have no space for dessert, but it was so worth it, especially the secret starter. It will for always be one of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you're ever in Vienna, stop by the MOCHI Ramen Bar. Yeah, that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye-bye.